Digistore24 Reviews. What's Digistore really all about? Well, stay tuned as I go into my home office, into my computer, and we break that down just after this break. Let's get it. You. Okay, so welcome back from that break. And if this is your first time coming to any video that I've ever done, I want to say welcome and thank you for coming to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Keith L. Lewis. I'm shooting this recording from here in my home office in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I want to dive straight into this review of Digistore24. And as you can see, I'm here on the home screen. I haven't logged in yet, but I got my notes here so that I can stay on point. So if you see me dipping down right here, I'm not just looking at the screen, but I'm also looking at my notes here. So Digistore24 is a company based out of Germany. It's a German-based affiliate, digital affiliate program, and it's similar to ClickBank. Also, it accepts members from pretty much all over the world. With ClickBank, they're really strict on who they allow onto the platform. So this is basically an alternative to ClickBank if you're having trouble with whatever country that you're living in, trying to get an account onto ClickBank. This is your alternative. Digistore24 is where you can come, create an account, and start to promote products inside of their marketplace right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and log on in so I can show you some of the stuff that they have back here. So once you get logged in, go to Marketplace and then go to all affiliate offers on Marketplace. And what's going to bring you is the top selling affiliate offers on Digistore, not in any particular niche, but just the #1 selling products, and then it works down from there. So to mastery, as you can see, it got Metacore, huge October 2020 launch. At the time of shooting this video is March 3rd 2021, so you can see it's been basically on the market for 23 weeks down here. So also right here you got To Mastery and monetization by Matt Parker, which this product has been on for a pretty good while. I haven't been too long creating an account. Actually, probably not even been a month, and I haven't even started to dig into this and try to look for something to basically promote on here. So the cool thing about Digistore24 is they basically cover some of the same niches, some of the same stuff that ClickBank covers, but they don't have nearly as many of the products as ClickBank has. Because ClickBank's been around for a very long time, and Digistore hasn't been around nearly as long as ClickBank. But they cover pretty much the same niches, the same category of products, and even some of the same product creators that's at ClickBank brought some of their products on over to Digistore for you and for people like us to go ahead and market and make some money or try to make some income on through the Digistore platform. So if you're an affiliate marketer, Digistore24 is definitely a platform, a cool place that you want to come to be able to promote products. So here's some of the categories right here, and some of the stuff that they have to offer, some of the different things. As you can see, it's not set up nowhere near like ClickBank, but you know, they got a pretty nice wide variety of things right here on the side. So my niche that I like to promote products in is the make money online, the internet marketing, online marketing, which is right here. Let's click on that. And as you can see on this, they only have 25 products, 25 results. And then not all of them are, not all of them are good or whatever. But just for an example, so I don't want to make this video too long, I want to dive in and show you how you get your affiliate link and how you can check out something that you want to promote and go and dive in a little deeper on the support page and stuff like that. So say for an example, you want to promote Done For You Services affiliate marketing system, which is the #2 internet marketing product selling on this platform, and it was created onto this platform 50 weeks ago at the time of recording this training here. And this is Wesley Virgin's course or whatever. So you can grab the affiliate tools here, but if you want to promote it, you can click here, and then it'll drop down with your affiliate link right here that you can promote. That's the link that's unique to you to promote. And you can click this right here to copy, and it'll go straight to the next window. It'll open up a new window rather. So click right there, and then your link comes open right there, and then your affiliate ID shows right here on the top. And idesiremore.com webinar opt-in, and then that's your link right there. And that's what you go out and promote. But stay with me, because I'm going to show you something else, the way that you go about doing this. And this is the webinar. This is a webinar registration page. So I'm going to show you some of the cool stuff, some of the things in it that you have. So right here, when it says grab your affiliate tools here, you click right there, and I'm going to show you some other things as well. So this is the page that they give you to promote, and this is some of the things that this is all that you get right here. So JV commissions, they pay $500 per sale, so you get $500 per sale on this whenever somebody buys off this webinar. So right here they got the statistics of the average webinar conversion rate, 16.5%. The average attendee value is $162, and then they got automated payouts by ClickBank, payouts weekly, net3. So that's just looking at, and then they got some snapshots of ClickBank payouts, and right here. Now I'm going to show you even more. You want to dive even deeper than this when you're looking at an offer or what to promote. So you want to go right here to the affiliate support page. So that's basically the same thing. So yeah, it's basically the same thing. Usually they give you all the swipes and stuff like that, so this one doesn't, but I'm gonna show you one that does. So right here, the average cart conversion is 3%. The cancellation rate is 26%. So this is a pretty high cancellation rate for this product. The earning cart visitors $10, so 50% commission. So basically it's $1,000 product, $487.37 earnings. So so if you wish to promote this to mastery, you can go to the sales page and you look at the sales page. This also is a webinar. I looked at it earlier before making this video, but here's the sales page of the product. Click to enroll. Then it shows you what you get in the modules. Module 1, overnight of the blueprint. Overview of the blueprint. And then module 2, choosing a niche. Module 3, setting up your channel. 4, uploading videos. 5, the growth model. And then the models. Module 6 is the monetization model. And then module 7 is the scaling your channel. So here's a summary of everything you get. So that's pretty cool sales page. Now I'm gonna show you the things that you look at the affiliate support page. If you come here and they don't have an affiliate support page, don't be alarmed by it. Just kind of go over the sales page with a fine tooth comb and kind of use your judgment, your better judgment. Kind of use a little common sense there to see if it's something that is too hypey, too, you know, overly hypey or whatever, too good to be true type of stuff. Then you kind of want to stay away from that. But here's the direction. Step one, click the, you know, above and create the account, all that good stuff. So, and then here's your affiliate link. You just put your name, your affiliate ID, use the name right here on the end on the campaign key. But this is the webinar uh, sign up page that you get when you promote the webinar. You know, then it gives you how to promote free traffic on YouTube. Shows you the keywords to look up and things like that. Shows you the Instagram shout outs, give you the actual post that he posted, that you post on your Instagram, you know, here. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about swipes and resources. When you come to that, when you click on that support, this affiliate support page. The Facebook ads give you the ads, swipes, testimonials you can run with, branding images, I mean live webinar, everything. So that's pretty much how you can do with Digistore. Now, before I close this video up, I want to say that you never want to take your link that you're given, this link right here, and straight promote it like straight away. You never want to take it and promote it. Let me go to the other one, because this one, you never want to take this link and promote it online or spam it all over social media or anywhere like that. What you want to do is you want to create your create some type of catcher page or funnel system that you created yourself, and then you want to use some type of lead magnet, something that's going to be in line with whatever that you're doing here. You want to give away some type of free training, something that you're doing to help people, and then on the back end of that, like, you want to have a few days where 3 days, 5 days, 6 days. I even seen people with 10-day trainings, and then on the end of on the end of your training, you want to you know, present this webinar, present this offer on the back end of it. Now, there's people out there that don't have a catcher page system, a funnel system, or something like that. I have one that you can use and build up for free. It's a free lifetime. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick up a free lifetime funnel builder, and it's right here. And I'll even show you how to use it if you need help using it. But right here, all you do is you go to the link below, and then you create a user. It's going to ask for all your information about how to about setting up registration, registering to become a free member. You got to put in all your information, your name, email, all that good stuff, number, whatever, and then you create yourself a profile. And then you'll be able to start up a free account, and you go here, group pages, and you're able to create 3 websites on this platform for free. And then if you want to create more, then you have to buy. And right now it's a lifetime membership. Now if you buy, you know, really don't even worry about buying. Just focus right now. Right now, all you do is just worry about, just go ahead and get this right here on the bottom. I'm gonna even have some bonuses that I'm gonna be throwing in. I don't have them together and ready yet, but at the time, later on down, I'm gonna have some bonuses that I'm gonna be giving to you just for picking up the free version of this, where you get 3 free websites, and you can use this to promote whatever you want on Digistore24. Because, like I said, you never want to send people straight to this link right here. you never want to send people straight to this link right here, because nobody buys, nobody registers, and nothing happens when you promote this link right here. People see that you're trying to sell. So instead, what you want to do is send them over to a funnel system that you created right here with a free website. All right. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this training right here on up, and that, my friend, is what I recommend that you do when you want to promote products on Digistore24. Hey, this is Keith L. Lewis. Thank you for watching my video here. I want to say also there's a video here to the right that you can check out. Also, up above up here, you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, like, and share if you found value in this video that I just laid out for you. Again, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.